Students, once again there are lots of questions from your syllabus of plus 2 General English. So let's start the revision of the questions. See the first question. Sudha taught her son for dash years. So the right answer is yes, 3 years. Second question. The leader of circus told Philip to bring his dash and go along with him without permission of his father. So the right answer of this, Philip, no, not A, not B. The answer is C, fiddle. Fiddle means violin. See the question 3. How much money was borrowed by the poor farmer from the village money lender? Rupees 5,000, $15, neither A nor B. So in the lesson, it is not mentioned how much money he had borrowed. So we can click the answer C. Question number 4. We infect the world with our dash. In the lesson, the line given, we infect the world with our ill humors. So the right answer is A. Question 5. Who was Edward de Bono? Question number 5. Professor. Option B, lateral thinking expert. Option C, both A and B. So the right answer is C. That means Edward de Bono was a professor and lateral thinking expert. Both are the right answers. Question number 6. I am the heat of your hearth. Who is I in this line? Actually, it is the name of the poet is not given in the poem, but the I in this line is represent to forest. So the answer C is right. Question number 7. When you are apart from your friend, you should not feel dash. In the poem, Khalil Gibran said that if you are far away from your friend, you should not feel sad. That means the first option is right. Question number 8. The poem, the echoing rain is read as an extended dash for the progress of human life. In this poem, William Blake used the whole central idea of the poem as an metaphor. So you can write the option B is the right answer for this fill-up. Question number 9. Who is the speaker in the poem? Once upon a time. Father, Gabriel O'Hara, or guest? So Gabriel O'Hara is the poet of the poem, but in that poem, father is speaking to his son. So the speaker is option A, father. Question number 10. Why was father's eyes were dimmed? First option, neither C or D. Second option, C or D. By monsoon night, by age, and the both last options C and D are right. So you can click the answer B. If there was not the option D in your answer form, so you can answer the given options from the given options, and the answer will be given here, the option B. Question number 11. Which figure of speech is used in the following lines of poems? See the first line, like a word dropped from a long sentence. This line is from Father Returning Home, and the sentence is started from like a word. The comparison of a word with the personality of father, and from a long sentence is compared to train. So in this type of comparison, we can say that simile is used here. then option B is the right answer. Question number 12. Wear many faces like dresses. Again, like is there. This line is from Once Upon a Time, and the right option is B, simile. 13th question. The sun does arise and make happy the skies. The sun does arise and make happy the skies. The right answer is option B, because sun cannot make the sky happy, but it is compared to as a human being who can make someone happy. So personification is the right option. 14th question. As the mountain to the climber is clearer from the plain. Again, this sentence, the line of the poem on friendship is started from as it is compared a friend, importance of the friend as a climber of mountain. So the right option is B, simile. 15th question. The friendly shade screening from the summer sun. The friendly shade screening from the summer sun. The use of SSS sound is given here. Screening from summer sun. So the option C is right, that is alliteration. Question number 16. Who was the girl in red on crutches? This is the question from part C of your book, lesson number 1, School for Sympathy. And the girl who was wearing red clothes and she was on crutches, her name was Beryl. Option A is the right answer. Question number 17. Who was the owner of the dog in the lesson The Chameleon? So the option C, it was the name of General's brother. So the option C is the right answer here. Question number 18. How many children Ramlal had? Ramlal had 7 children. And what is the classification of his children? The right option is yes, answer A, 4 daughters and 3 sons. What was the name of the eldest daughter of Ramlal? Actually, the eldest one is Radha. But from the given options, who is the elder one? Mangala, Sulekha or Champa? So the elder one is Radha, whose option was not given here. So the second is Mangala. So from these 3 girls, you have to choose the eldest daughter, that is Mangala. Question number 20. Rukin was a dash. Who was Rukin? He was a goldsmith. So the right option is option B. Question number 21. It is from the determiners. The options are given here. Is there dash milk left in the jug? So the right answer is any. He has dash daughters. The answer is 2. Question number 23. What she hates most is, we have to use participle here, and participle has also 3 types: present participle, past participle and perfect participle. So we have to use here see the first option. What she hates most is to smoke or smoking. Yes, the right answer is smoking, because the instruction is given here to use only participle, and the first option is from infinitive. So the third option is wrong. We have to choose only B option. Question number 24. Better dash leave. Leave is the verb you have to use as infinitive in the fill-up, and the right option is C, that is leave, because it is bare infinitive. You can see the list of words where we have to use only first form of the verb without to, and if the word better is given here, so we have to use only first form of the verb. Better leave the place. Now option C is the correct option. Question number 25. We can prepare lunch. You have to change the voice. It is active and you have to make it passive. If the can is here, means model is here, and we have learned the rule of changing models in voices, that we can use model plus be plus third form of the verb. So the right answer is C. Lunch can be prepared by us. Question number 26. I shall have won the lottery. I shall have won. So in this question, the right option is B. The lottery will have been won by me. The third form of the verb is remaining same here, and the option B is right. Question number 27. I shall say he is a nice boy. When in these type of sentences where the reported speech is in present, indefinite or present continuous, so you have to use only that. You don't have to change anything in the reported speech. I shall say that, only that is used here. He is a nice boy. So the option C is right answer. In 28th question, I said to her, does he know how to swim? So the option C is right here. I asked her if the sentence is interrogative, you have to use if or whether to remove inverted commas. In that case, he knew is the third form, how to swim. C is the right option. 29th question, translate. Bahar ko phanera si. The right answer is option C. It was pitch dark outside. Option B is something confusion. It has confusion. The words dark pitch is written here, but the right answer is pitch dark ko phanera. Question number 30. ਉਹ ਉਮਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਹੈ. She is elder than I. Option C is right. For this, why this is there is option C is the right answer. You have to see a full video on that. I will discuss in another video. Thanks for discussing your questions and explanation of answers. Thanks a lot. I hope all doubts are cleared here. Thank you.